Wilkins fam. So today is the 4th of July. We didn't do much today. Ate, had a little bit of fun, let the children play with their cousins, and now we're on our way back home. I figured I'd let the children do some fireworks since we don't have anything else to do and all their friends in the neighborhood will be having fireworks. So I'm here at Walmart. So I'm actually here looking, and it doesn't really look like they have much of a selection. Not the ones I'm looking for. It's not a big selection at all. So I really don't know what to get them. I guess these are more so like safe fireworks. I don't know. But I guess maybe I could just get them safe fireworks. Yeah, so everybody's pretty much at home and I just kind of came here by myself to grab some fireworks for the children. Although I may have to go to one of those places that are usually like on the side of the road because I'm not finding anything here. So we'll see. If I don't find anything, I'll just get Niles to take me somewhere over there. Guys, so like I was saying, when I was in Walmart, they didn't really have a big selection. So I had to literally find one of the places that are on the side of the road. And I finally found one. I finally found one and I'm here now. I'm about to see what they have. This little place was really cool. They have a lot of fireworks here. It's so long. So if you're in Texas, Houston area. So I got the fireworks and they had exactly what I needed. Walmart and H-E-B, none of those places had the fireworks, but they had a lot. So we're gonna go home and blow some fireworks. What's up, guys? So I am finally back home with the fam. We're getting ready to go outside, and then we could probably drop the children off, Niles, and we can have a romantic evening on the back of the truck watching the fireworks.
But y'all could, but that's not what we're gonna do.
Anyways,
Ladybug.
or the little sparkle little ones. Ladybug ones are bigger. He said they light up and they glow or something. So you know how you have to light them? Tell me how you light things. You light it and then you run? No, that ain't how you light it.
You light it while doing the gritty. You light it and then you back up.
What are you doing?
No,
he's only getting one.
nothing. I told you to get two.
Well, I just saw you doing something. Were you eating my watermelon?
Yes.
What are you trying to do with that, Snarry?
No, light it in the house. Where's the thing?
You're gonna do what?
Light it in the house.
Wait. You're gonna do what?
If we can't go outside, we'll light it in the house. And then once she lights it in the house,
You literally can't light that in the house. You're gonna blow the whole house up and you're gonna cause a fire in the house.
Right.
All right, so we're outside just watching the different fireworks shows, and the children are on the back of the truck. They got their chairs seated on the back of the truck, just watching the shows and looking. And Noah, what are you gonna take out of that thing? We got a couple, like I said, a couple fireworks of our own that we're gonna light up and see what it do. Nothing extravagant.
Hopefully we don't blow up.
I don't think we're gonna blow up. Let me see. What do you got? What do you got right there? You got a lighter? Don't play with fire, children.
Try this at home, y'all.
Don't try it at home. Oh, hey. Jesus, what was that? Oh. Woo!
This one don't work.
What don't work? Yes, they do. They all work. You probably have a safety on it or something. It lights just fine. Noah, it was the way you were pushing it. In his defense,
I rolled the thing and it wasn't lighting.
Which one do you want to do?
Save the best for last, so the worst one is gonna be...
You guys want to do these little ones first?
No, fine. This.
Oh, these? We could let each of you maybe light one. I don't know.
Yay, yeah.
These things are called the Besties crackering bells. Yeah, those
No,
go.
like this one.
I guess they crackle.
This one.
Jumbo.
Yes.
No. I said save the best for last. Save the best for last. We gotta pop.
there, that little thing right there.
I know,
Yeah, you put it on the ground.
but I can't light it while it's in
Like
my
way
hand.
over there. I mean, of course you. Ooh.
Light it.
Yeah, like over here. Come on, guys, who's gonna light this one?
It blow up in my face.
It's not, Niles. It has to shrivel down. That little behind thing. Oh my god.
It felt right.
All right, y'all, come on, let's light it. Let's light two at the same time.
Like this long thing.
All right, go.
Let me
I
like.
don't have enough.
No, it's
Nope.
He said he don't got enough time to run. Niles, you know? So we got this jumbo firecracker. This one has to be lit right here, and then we just basically gotta run.
Thrower.
Let's go! Joshua!
When they spark, what do you do with them? Throw them?
Back up, Josh. Oh! Scared! You scared! Look at that was scared! Woo.
Guys, come.
Gotta move.
Mommy!
Gotta move.
Mommy!
Nah.
Now when you get that time on fire, don't.
It's just a strobe light.
Oh, okay. I thought something was about to happen.
You can use that fire to light the other one.
You scared?
I'm not.
Yup. Scared, boy.
Simple things.
Hunda, hunda. Hunda, hunda. Hunda, hunda.
Yo. Josh, watch out! It's still fire!
Josh is gonna pop.
Bro, you're now a savage.
Can't do that.
Can't do that.
Bro thinks he's a savage.
Yeah, bro was about to hop to stop, drop, and roll.
Bro.
All right, bro.
Josh, did
Joshua.
that burn
Bro,
you?
you don't know what you're doing, man. Put it down.
Hurry.
Guys!
Exactly.
Those ones are little ones.
Oh, you trying to go? You trying to go?
It's fire, man.
That one.
So those ones we were letting them light are children friendly, like family safe. They're not like any of the strong fireworks
This
that
one lights a lot.
blow in
It's
the
only
air. or
one.
anything.
Try it.
Let me see, Josh. Show it. What is that one? Let me see.
I mean, have the lighter.
He wants to do the ladybug.
One.
You said, bro, you're just chilling in the back of the truck eating a
Let me
watermelon.
get the light.
Watermelon.
You should be.
Can I get a watermelon?
Y'all are just chilling. They got these chairs in the back of the truck. They got a
What else is
cooler.
in there?
Ooh, fireworks.
Right. Yummy.
Yeah, no more soda for you today.
Ooh, no more soda.
I got two already.
I
got
had
two
one.
sodas.
It's not
They
fair.
just chilling back here.
Eating a watermelon. About to put some salt on it.
Salt, yeah. You're gonna see how these ones are gonna.
I ain't even gonna see how it is.
I don't know. They just look kind of.
That thing says
No one wants
light.
to like.
It says light and get away. At least they give you some kind of instruction.
No one wants to light.
No, you're supposed to light it and stand in front of it.
What's gonna happen if you light it and stand in front of it?
You're gonna die.
You're gonna die. Yeah. Let's see how these
That you
work.
hold. Not those.
That thing. Let's watch that thing.
The way she said it.
Ooh, let's watch that thing. Y'all better
Is it
watch
like water,
for it.
right?
Get close. You better run. I don't know. Is it doing anything? Was that a UFO? one was nothing to play with. It had me running. It had me gone. We gonna run that thing back.
Let it. I'm gonna tell my dick. I'm gonna run home real quick.
Oh my god! It just does its own thing. Y'all better move it close.
It's right there. It's right there.
I didn't see anything. You didn't see it? Spooky stories. Ladybug. Let's talk to it for some reason. I don't know. It's like a UFO or something that just flies in the air.
I'm gonna run like right there.
Oh, watch out.
You little thing! Oh, y'all see it over there?
Yeah, there's some.
All right, somebody shine a light.
Oh, dang! Tell me when the thing light.
Alright, y'all better go.
Which way do I go?
I want just like 10 dogs. And that thing comes down. You're probably in the field over there. Ah! I don't know, I guess because it's just so loud.
When I first seen it, I was like, is these people on my property?
Oh, goodness. That ladybug one, I don't know. It's just something about it. I guess because it's so loud, it just, I don't know, it scares me. And then it goes up in the air, and then it literally falls down. And it's just scary. It reminds me like of a UFO or something. I don't know. I don't like it. But yeah, we're out here doing fireworks.
Look at these little chopstick things.
What are those? What are those ones?
I don't know.
They're like a bunch of
They're
that.
like, oh,
It's like a batch of them.
he's electrocuting me.
Whoa. Oh, okay. All right, guys, so we're back at the house after that whole fireworks ordeal. We went outside to watch the fireworks as well as spark the few little ones that we have. And they were actually pretty cool. Everybody's just kind of chilling now.
Yeah,
so
don't try that at
chilling.
home, children. You know, I mean, this is my first time even lighting them things, so.
And he was acting scary.
Nah, that ladybug one, that was a UFO. They need to put on their UFO.
Yeah, that one
That's what
was
they need
funny.
to put
It
on
just
there.
shot up in the air and it was crazy. It made all types of noise. That one was
Everybody
scary.
was running.
I was running. I was gone. Yes, but I think that's pretty much it. We're going to cool it for the rest of the night.
Make sure you
Like,
Comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Subscribe and hit that bell.
so you can be
sure.
notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember what?
Hold it down, no frown.
Hold it down, no frown.
hold it down, no frown.
Hold it down, no frown.